In the last year, we've seen more Apple product launches than ever before in history as Apple breaks that product launch schedule that we all are used to. We've seen them invent new accessory lineups, new services, and now that brings us to iPhone 13. We're going to take a look at everything we know about iPhone 13, every rumor, every leak, and my wish list for what I'm hoping to see. So let's get into it. So first, let's talk about everything that we know for sure is coming to iPhone 13. Everything that has to be coming 100% in order for it to be considered an upgrade. So the first thing we're talking about is the design. It's pretty much going to be the same. Considering the design just changed for the iPhone 12, it's likely that that's going to stay for at least another year, if not more. So next is a better camera. We're seeing all kinds of concepts about having 4 different lenses and different arrangements, but for the most part, we can expect it to look the same, but there are reports of a better camera coming to the iPhone 13. And that's particularly focused on the ultra wide angle camera on the Pro models, which is said to have a larger sensor, bringing in more light and taking a better ranged photo than ever before. There's also a report from Max Weinbach that the new iPhones will have an astrophotography camera that's able to take better pictures of the sky, along with the possibility of implementing portrait mode into video. And what better way to watch those photos than on a brand new 120Hz display? It seems like every single rumor that we're hearing about is talking about this. Based on all the rumors and all the leaks, we can pretty much confirm that the iPhone 13 is going to come with a brand new 120Hz display. And keeping in line with performance improvements, just like every iPhone before it, we're expecting the next gen Apple chips to be powering these devices, leading to better battery life and overall better performance. And speaking of chips, we've got the 5G and Wi-Fi 6E chip coming to the iPhone lineup from Qualcomm. So they previously debuted the Snapdragon X60 3rd Gen 5G modem, which will be implemented in iPhone 13. Rumors are indicating that the iPhone is going to be capable of Wi-Fi 6, which is operating on a 6 GHz network, providing higher performance, lower latency, and faster data transfer compared to 2.4 and 5 GHz bands like we're used to. All right, so other speculation to talk about. Is the next iPhone going to be a foldable iPhone? Nope, not a chance, not gonna happen. Rumors are indicating that a foldable displayed iPhone will not be coming until at least 2023, if not later on. This seems like the kind of technology that Apple is really gonna wanna perfect before releasing, and we're a couple years out before they get to that point. All right, so next we're talking about the notch. And it's still gonna be there. There are some reports that just got announced at the time of making this video saying that they are working on a notchless iPhone. However, the reports are saying that they're gonna be moving to the hole punch design, which we've seen on a couple of Android devices already. However, that won't be coming until the 2022 redesign. And then lastly, we're talking about Touch ID returning to the iPhone. The rumor is that Touch ID is gonna be implemented underneath the display. And in this case, you would have a phone that has both Face ID and Touch ID for the first time in the iPhone lineup, and really on an Apple device altogether. So that's everything we know about iPhone 13 at the moment. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited for. Given that we're still quite a few months away from an iPhone 13 launch, there's quite a possibility that I'm gonna make another one of these videos. So of course, make sure to like this video because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck. Hit that subscribe button so that you see more videos like this from me as they come out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.